I want people to remember that there is such an incredible happiness in embracing who you truly are. There's that pride and joy and fulfillment in actually, one, discovering yourself more. Because I know, as nakikilala ko yung sarili ko every single day, the more that I explore new things, and whenever I put myself in uncomfortable situations, whenever I challenge myself, lagi akong may natututunang bago sa sarili ko. And I want to be able to share that experience, hoping that other people can do that with themselves as well. Mas kilalanin mo pa yung sarili mo, mas mahalin mo pa yung sarili mo, at mas yakapin mo pa kung sino ka talaga.